Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Natural Language Processing. Beyond LLMs. Understanding Human Language Nuances. Hello developers and aspiring AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into natural language processing, or NLP. Imagine giving computers the ability to truly understand human language. Not just recognize keywords or follow commands. We're not just talking about asking ChatGPT a question. We're talking about computers genuinely comprehending what you say, write, or even imply. This is a huge leap from simply processing data, and it opens up a world of possibilities for developers like us. Why is NLP so hard for computers? Think about how we talk. We use sarcasm. Oh, great. Another meeting. Single quote. Slang. Jokes. Metaphors. And words that mean different things depending on context. Like bank, riverbank versus money bank. As humans, we effortlessly pick up on these nuances. For a computer, text is just a string of characters. Teaching a machine to grasp the hidden meanings, emotions, and precise intentions behind those characters is the core challenge and the magic of advanced NLP. You've probably heard of large language models, LLMs. Like ChatGPT, they're amazing at generating human-like text. But many developer tasks need more than just a good guess or a plausible-sounding answer. We need precision. Does this customer review express positive or negative sentiment? What exact entities, people, places, dates, are mentioned in this legal document? Is this email definitely spam? LLMs can be creative, but for many real-world applications, we need systems that deeply understand and extract specific, accurate information, not just synthesize new text. Before a computer can understand nuance, it needs to break down language. Think of it like disassembling a Lego castle to understand its individual bricks. 1. Tokenization. Asterisk splitting sentences into individual words and punctuation. These are your basic Lego bricks. 2. Stemming, lemmatization. Asterisk finding the root form of a word. E.g., running, ran, runs all become run. This helps a computer know they're talking about the same core concept. 3. Part of speech tagging. Asterisk identifying if a word is a noun, verb, adjective, etc., like labeling your Lego bricks by type. 4. Named entity recognition, NER. Asterisk spotting specific categories like people's names, locations, or dates. This is like finding all the special bricks in your collection. As developers, these are the fundamental tools we use to turn messy text into structured data a computer can work with. One practical application of understanding nuance is sentiment analysis. This is where a computer tries to determine the emotional tone of a piece of text. Is it positive, negative, or neutral? Imagine you run an online store. You want to know if customer reviews are generally happy or upset. A computer, trained on vast amounts of data, can identify words and phrases. Amazing product, single quote, terrible service. It works. And their combinations to gauge the overall feeling. From a developer's perspective, you're building a system to automatically categorize feedback, helping businesses quickly understand public opinion without manually reading every single comment. While LLMs can rewrite text, sometimes we need to asterisk extract the core information without interpretation. Topic modeling. Asterisk imagine having thousands of news articles. Topic modeling helps a computer automatically figure out the main themes discussed across all of them, e.g., sports news, political updates, tech advancements, without anyone predefining categories. It's like a smart librarian sorting books by subject. Text summarization. Extractive. Asterisk instead of generating new sentences. Extractive summarization pulls the most important original sentences directly from a document to create a concise summary. This is crucial for legal documents or research papers where every word matters. And you can't afford a computer to misinterpret or hallucinate facts. Developers use these techniques to digest vast amounts of text efficiently. The applications of NLP beyond LLMs are everywhere, especially where precision is paramount. Healthcare. Asterisk analyzing doctors' notes and medical reports to extract specific symptoms, diagnoses, or drug interactions. Finance. Asterisk detecting fraudulent transactions by understanding the unusual language in financial documents or emails. Customer service. Asterisk intelligently routing customer queries based on the intent of their message, not just keywords, ensuring they get to the right specialist. Legal. Asterisk sifting through thousands of legal documents to find specific clauses or precedents. These aren't about casual conversation. They're about making critical decisions based on a deep, nuanced understanding of language. So, remember, while LLMs are incredible for generating text, traditional NLP is about teaching computers to truly understand the complexities, subtleties, and nuances of human language. As developers, mastering these techniques empowers you to build robust, reliable, and highly intelligent AI systems that can precisely interpret information from the real world. Tools like NLTK or Spacey are great starting points to begin your hands-on journey into these fascinating areas of AI. Keep exploring, keep building. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.